In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 403. This usually happens because of some network issues or outdated login tokens. So to do a few sanity checks, you can now check the cookies on your Roblox account. So log into your Roblox account and then click on this lock icon right here. So click on it and then click on cookies and site data, cookies, and then click on um, each of these cookies and then remove them. So scroll down, click remove this one, and then click done. Now refresh your browser, and this will prompt you to log in again. So once you're logged back in, you can now try joining a game, and if it still doesn't work, then try seeing if you have any VPNs running in the background. So maybe check your browser's extensions, or perhaps the tasks tray if you have any third-party apps running VPN running in the background, and try disabling them and check again. If it still didn't work, try using a VPN. So if you're not using a VPN, that's the case. If you're not using a VPN, try using one and try again, because this sometimes works for others. By using VPN, it works because this issue usually happens. Sometimes it happens because you're IP banned in Roblox. So you can either wait for the ban to finish or use a VPN. Another solution you can do is just reinstall Roblox or restart your PC. Those are the few quick checks you can do. So to reinstall Roblox, you can just type in programs and then just wait for it to load and then type in Roblox here and then click on the three dots uninstall. And that should be a quick check to see if this is the issue. And then you can try again and see if it works. And if all of these solutions didn't work yet, then another thing you can do is check your Roblox desktop app. So open up your Roblox desktop app, so the app version of Roblox, and see if you're logged in the same account, because usually this issue happens because you're switching accounts in the website version, but you're forgetting to log out of your Roblox desktop app, which causes like two accounts to be on at the same time or something like that. Um, it needs to be straight, and this is an authentication issue, so that makes sense. So if all of these didn't work, um, there is a technical check that you can do, which is using a DNS server, but I'm pretty sure that one of these methods will actually work for you. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.